All right, guys, this is a unboxing of the Wellness Company COVID emergency kit. Seems to be hard case with a sort of a rough canvas outside, so your items will be protected. I am opening the case. Now, when I found the case, it was all disheveled. I reorganized the case. Looks like you have your nebulizer here for any type of inflammation to your respiratory system. You got your inhalation suspension, probably accompanies the nebulizer. We have the phosphate generic uh, Tamiflu, I guess that's what it is. It's a generic medication. All of these are sort of generic. Looks like this one's the ivermectin here. This one is the hydroxychloroquine. And this one is the azithromycin. I guess these are strange. This is a good kit, but if you are going to go with the wellness kit, make sure you research which kit that you want the most, because they're unable to change the kit. I tried to change the kit the next day after ordering, and they were not able to change the kit because they gave me an explanation that it goes to a doctor and that everything, all the information was filled out. So make sure that you're getting either the emergency COVID kit or the emergency medical kit. They have 4 different kits, all the same price. So uh, if you want to get prepared, just like me when I caught COVID, this week. So make sure you go reach out to them and order your kit now, because it does take about 2 weeks to get it. So, um, well, good luck, and hopefully you don't get COVID. Bye.